Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the best ways to maximize your rewards and save money on everyday purchases. Today, we're diving into how to use Capital One Savor cashback at Walmart. If you're a Capital One Savor cardholder, you know this card is a powerhouse for earning cashback on things like dining, groceries, and entertainment. But did you know you can make it work wonders at Walmart too? Let's get into it step by step. First off, a quick refresher. The Capital One Savor card offers 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores, including Walmart for eligible purchases. That means every time you swipe your card at Walmart for groceries or other qualifying items, you're building up those rewards. Pretty awesome, right? Now, let's talk about how to actually use that cashback when you're at Walmart. Step 1. Make sure your purchases qualify. Walmart often falls under the grocery category, so you'll earn 3% back on things like fresh produce, pantry staples, and even some household items. Avoid non-qualifying stuff like electronics or services to maximize your rewards. Step 2. Track your rewards. Log into the Capital One app or website to check your cashback balance. It's super easy. Just head to the rewards section and you'll see how much you've accumulated. Step 3. Redeem your cashback. You can redeem it as a statement credit, which effectively reduces your balance for future purchases. For example, if you have $50 in cashback, apply it to your next Walmart shopping trip. Here's a pro tip. Time your redemption so it aligns with a big Walmart run to offset your costs directly. One thing to watch out for: cashback redemptions might take a few days to process, so plan ahead. Also, remember that Walmart Plus members might have additional perks, like free delivery, which could stack with your Savor rewards for even bigger savings. In summary, using your Capital One Savor cashback at Walmart is a straightforward way to stretch your dollars further. Start by earning on eligible buys, tracking your rewards, and redeeming strategically. If you follow these steps, you'll be saving like a pro in no time. Got questions or your own tips? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.